Welcome back to another video. If you're clicking on this video, then I'm assuming you are interested in dropshipping. So I'm also new to dropshipping. If you watch my videos, then you know I tried it before, but I didn't get too far. So I want to give you guys 5 tips for beginners to do better than I did last time. So let's get started with the video. Tip number 1. Don't be afraid to use a course. Why I'm saying this is because when I first tried dropshipping, I didn't go with a course. I just tried it on my own. I didn't do too bad, but I could have did better, and I wasn't getting good products. I wasn't getting as many sales. When I did get a sale, I didn't know you had to have money up front to use the products because PayPal holds the money for like a certain amount of days. So use a course if you want to. Talking about a course, the course I went with, the guy who created the course, I'm going to leave his Instagram down below. You should go check out his Instagram and DM him if you want to learn. His course is free up until it's like April 17th, around there. You have a few weeks to go learn for free. And the first day I signed up with the course and he helped me, I got my first sale within 3 hours for it was like a $40 profit. So definitely go follow him and DM him, say you're interested in learning dropshipping. Now, step number 2 is go for low profits. It's not all about the big profits. Sometimes less is more, because the more little profits you get, the more money you can get overall, because it could add up instead of going for one really big profit and no one buys. So definitely aim for the smaller profit range. It's okay to start off like that. You'll definitely see you're going to get more sales doing that way other than the bigger profit range. Step number 3, I'm going to say help each other out. Dropshipping, there's a lot of people who do it. You can find out other people who do it and just talk to each other about what products are selling good, what products are not doing so well, what are you guys selling it for, how much you guys made. Just have those conversations. With the course I mentioned in step 1, you guys get added to a group chat with other people who do dropshipping, and you guys can talk about what products to use and how much you guys list it for, and just overall help each other out. Don't be selfish and try to do it all yourself and hog all the money, because you're not going to get anywhere is doing that. Help each other out, and good karma is a thing. So you help each other out, then people's more willing to help you out, and you're just more likely to succeed and get further in life doing that. So I think that was step number 3. Let me take a sip of my coffee. You guys like hot or iced coffee more? I'm more in between. Some days I like the iced coffee, some days I like the hot coffee. All depends on my mood, kinda. So step number 4, I'm gonna say find a good supplier. Now, what does that mean? Yes, you can go with like finding the products off like AliExpress, Alibaba, Walmart, Home Depot, all that stuff. But if you find a supplier that dropshippers use, I'm not going to give out the supplier I use because I don't know if the guy who created the course wants me to do that. But if you guys want to know, go down in the description, follow him on Instagram, and hit him up saying you're interested in learning dropshipping. But just find a supplier. There's many out there. There's not only the one we use, but just find a supplier and stick with them, because you can build a relationship with them, grow trust, and maybe some days you'll be more likely to get a discount some days, and just overall be let in on good news and new products coming out. So that would be number 4. Tip number 5, it's going to be a little bit of multiple things in one. It's going to be 1, be good to the customers. You don't want, like, you want to give them the tracking number and stuff. And if they ask questions, try not to be rude. You don't want them to cancel and you have to send the money back. So don't do that. Try to be nice to them and just build overall good relationships with the customers. They're more likely to come back and you'll be more likely to get a good review, which will add on to more people wanting to buy from you. And another thing I would say for number 5 is don't stop even when it gets slow. Some days it's going to be really slow and you're not going to get anything, and other days you're going to get multiple orders. But just be patient even when you're not doing anything and not listing stuff because maybe you're waiting for more money or something. Just try making drafts, and in drafts, when you're ready to upload it, just hit list now. That way you're not going to be waiting forever. You're not going to have to make the listings when the time comes, and you already have a bunch of drafts ready to go for you to list when the time comes. So build up on the drafts list. There are my 5 tips for a beginner starting drop shipping. I'm doing a lot better now than I used to when I first tried, when I made the first video talking about me failing drop shipping. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I encouraged you to go out and start learning drop shipping. If you want to, go down below in the description, somewhere down here, and hit the guy's Instagram. It's going to be linked. It's going to be the first link down there. Hit that and send him a DM. If he doesn't get to you in a little bit, be patient. He gets a lot of DMs. Just be patient. He'll get back to you as soon as he can. And text them saying you're interested in learning dropshipping. It's not going to disappoint you guys. And like always, if you have any questions or suggestions, go down into the comment section. It's a little past the description. And comment something you want me to talk about in a video or something I could do better on. And we are at like 32, 33 subscribers, somewhere around there. Slowly growing. Not as fast as I would like, but good things take time. And if you leave a like button, hit the like button, maybe more people will see my video. So do me a favor, it will mean a lot to me if you go down and smash that like button. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to the left of the like button, a little ways over there. And share this video with your friends as well. And get them into dropshipping, because maybe one day you guys be making 6 figures. Hopefully, I'm one day hit that mark. Don't know how long it's going to take, but if I do, you guys will be the first to know. And I'll keep updating you guys with the process if you guys want it, if you guys are interested in these kind of videos. So go down, do everything I just said, and check out the links down below, and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys later.